My dad is an engineer, and I have an older brother. And as we grew up, he always challenged us to try to understand how things worked, what happened when you flicked a switch, why the light came on, or how to calculate the speed of the train that we were traveling on holiday. And I think I grew up thinking that engineers were able to do anything they wanted. He always used to say that engineers could fix washing machines, design cars, build houses, work in banking, and yeah, I think I grew up thinking that engineers were a bit like superheroes, and I wanted to become one. I think everyone needs a role model, and I've been really lucky to work with some really amazing people throughout my career. Um, but in terms of the people that I have really looked up to, they have been passionate leaders who were really driven to deliver what they believed in, and they were true to their values. There were people who were really nurturing and empowering and supportive of others. There were people who were happy to stand alone to do what was right. And I think I've worked with some of the finest minds in engineering and science, but the best were the ones who were humble and curious enough to know that the best solution to any technical problem comes from a team, however clever you are. And they built the team around them to fix some of the greatest issues we've had in society. Fusion is one of those problems, so the better the team, the better the outcome. I think the world of tomorrow needs clean and secure energy, and renewables will definitely be part of it. But fusion, I think, will be an important piece that will complement renewables. And I wouldn't claim to be one of those superheroes that I believed engineers to be when I was a child, but I think the science is important, and the science is super cool in fusion. It's the delivery of the science that the engineers can bring ultimately. And I guess the question for everyone from me is, what can you do that the world of tomorrow needs?